You'll never lose weight if you don't stop eating these 13 fat-causing foods. After all, avoiding weight gain as you get older isn't impossible. If you want to be one of those people who go through life without gaining a pound for each birthday, Harvard doctors have a strategy for you. It goes far beyond the old adage of eat less, exercise more, let's know more. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. It turned out that there are some specific foods responsible for a quick weight gain, and if you want to lose weight, you first have to put a ban on them. Weight loss is aided by some foods, such as full-fat yogurt, coconut oil, and eggs. Other foods, particularly processed and refined foods, can cause weight gain. If you're trying to lose weight, here are 13 foods to stay away from. Number 1. Potato chips and French fries. French fries and potato chips are not healthy or filling, but whole potatoes are. They're high in calories, and it's easy to consume far too many. Consumption of French fries and potato chips has been linked to weight gain in observational studies. According to one study, potato chips may cause more weight gain per serving than any other food. Furthermore, some chemicals, which cause cancer, may be present in baked, roasted, or fried potatoes. As a result, plain, boiled potatoes are the best option. Number 2. Sugary beverages. Sugar-sweetened beverages, such as soda, are among the world's unhealthiest foods. They are strongly linked to weight gain and, when consumed in excess, can have disastrous health consequences. Despite the fact that sugary drinks are high in calories, your brain does not register them as solid food. You won't feel full from liquid sugar calories, and you won't eat less to compensate. Instead, you end up consuming these calories in addition to your regular diet. Consider giving up sugary drinks entirely if you're serious about losing weight. Number 3. A loaf of white bread. White bread is highly refined and frequently contains a significant amount of sugar. It has a high glycemic index and can cause blood sugar levels to spike. Fortunately, there are a variety of healthy white bread alternatives. Ezekiel bread is one of them, and it's probably the healthiest bread on the market. Number 4. Candy bars. Candy bars are extremely harmful to one's health. In a small package, they cram a lot of added sugar, added oils, and refined flour. Candy bars are calorie-dense and nutritionally deficient. A typical chocolate-covered candy bar contains 200 to 300 calories, with extra-large bars containing even more. Candy bars, unfortunately, can be found almost anywhere. They're even strategically placed in stores to entice customers to buy them on impulse. Number 5. The majority of fruit juices. The majority of supermarket fruit juices have little in common with whole fruit. Fruit juices are highly processed and sugar-laden. In fact, they can have just as much, if not more, sugar and calories than soda. Fruit juice, on the other hand, usually contains no fiber and does not require chewing. This means that a glass of orange juice won't make you feel as full as an orange, allowing you to eat a lot of food in a short amount of time. Instead of drinking fruit juice, eat whole fruit. Number 6. Cakes, cookies, and pastries. Pastries, cookies, and cakes are high in unhealthy ingredients such as refined flour and added sugar. They also contain trans fats, which are extremely harmful and have been linked to a variety of diseases. Pastries, cookies, and cakes are not very filling, and you will most likely feel hungry soon after eating them. Instead of reaching for a piece of dark chocolate when you're craving something sweet, reach for a piece of dark chocolate. Number 7. Some alcoholic beverages. Alcohol contains about 7 calories per gram, which is more than carbs and protein. The evidence for the link between alcohol and weight gain, on the other hand, isn't conclusive. Drinking alcohol in moderation appears to be safe and has even been linked to weight loss. Heavy drinking, on the other hand, has been linked to gaining weight. It's also important to consider the type of alcohol you're drinking. While beer can make you gain weight, drinking wine in moderation can actually help you lose weight. Number 8. Ice cream. Ice cream is extremely tasty. but it is also extremely unhealthy. It's high in calories, and the majority of varieties are high in sugar. A small serving of ice cream is fine once in a while, but the problem is that it's all too easy to eat a large quantity in one sitting. Make your own ice cream with less sugar and more nutritious ingredients like full-fat yogurt and fruit. Additionally, serve yourself a small portion and put the ice cream away so you don't overeat. Number 9. Pizza. Pizza is a widely consumed fast food. Commercially prepared pizzas, on the other hand, are extremely unhealthy. They're high in calories and frequently include unhealthy ingredients such as highly refined flour and processed meat. If you really want a slice of pizza, make one at home with healthier ingredients. Homemade pizza sauce is also healthier, as store-bought sauces can be high in sugar. Another option is to seek out a pizza restaurant that specializes in healthier pizzas. Number 10. Dry fruits. Because dry fruits, such as prunes and raisins, are devoid of water, they contain more calories. According to some sources, 1 gram of raisins contains more calories than 1 gram of grapes. So, a cup of raisins has 500 calories, while a cup of prunes has over 450 calories, which is quite a lot if you're trying to lose weight. Dry fruits should be consumed in moderation. Number 11. Coffee drinks with a lot of calories. Coffee contains a number of biologically active compounds, the most important of which is caffeine. These chemicals, at least in the short term, can boost your metabolism and increase fat burning. However, the disadvantages of adding unhealthy ingredients such as artificial cream and sugar outweigh the benefits. Coffee drinks with a lot of calories are no better than soda. They're high in empty calories and can easily replace a meal. If you enjoy coffee, stick to plain, black coffee if you're trying to lose weight. It's also fine to add a little cream or milk. Just stay away from sugar, calorie-dense creamers, and other unhealthy ingredients. Number 12. Flavored yogurts. Yogurt is a healthy option, but unsweetened yogurt is preferred whenever possible. In just a small serving, flavored and fruit on the bottom yogurts can contain a surprising amount of sugar. Instead of choosing sweetened yogurt, add fresh fruit to unsweetened yogurt for a natural sweetness boost. Number 13. Grapes. Did you know that not all fresh fruits are good for you if you're trying to lose weight? Some fruits are not on the list of foods that help you lose weight, despite the fact that they are healthy. One of them is grapes, which are loaded with sugar and fats, making them the wrong fruit to eat while on a strict weight loss diet. Grapes contain 67 calories and 16 grams of sugar per 100 grams, so eating them on a regular basis could lead to weight gain. We hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button and share with your loved ones. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.